Welcome to COVESTONE. This presentation covers warehouse and inventory functions. The warehouse program is designed to be used on mobile devices, so it looks different from the other parts of the COVESTONE system. The Manage queue. The Manage queue shows all the open orders to be picked. When first running, it can take a few minutes to render, so be patient. The program allows you to assign orders to be picked to a warehouse worker using a mobile device that has a barcode scanner. Click on the blue order number to view the order detail if needed. You can leave the picker set as anyone, so anyone available can pull the order, or assign it to a specific person. Click Queue to make the order available to be picked. The Queue All selection is rarely used. The Split option allows you to split large orders amongst two pickers to speed up the process. This is only useful if you have organized your warehouse locations into zones beforehand. Clicking Print will give you a paper ticket to print if you need one. Clicking Print will also automatically put the order in the pick queue. You can unqueue an order if the picking needs to be put on hold for some reason. Be sure to refresh the Manage queue frequently throughout the day so that new updates show on the display. As previously mentioned, the warehouse interface will display differently on mobile devices, and in the case of warehouse workers, the set of functions available is simplified. The mobile picking process. In this example, 3 orders show in this warehouse worker's queue for picking. Clicking on the order will show the items on the order to be picked. Scan the barcode from the box or from a shelf label if it's available. Alternately, you can click on the item and enter the record number that's in the brackets. Select the quantity to be picked. The Quantity button will fill in the total item quantity without having to use the mobile device keypad. If there is a quantity missing, enter the amount in the missing field. This will indicate that an inventory adjustment is needed. Secondary locations will show if they exist and allow quantities of the item to be pulled from there as well. If the item has a serial number to be recorded, it can be scanned or entered at this time. Clicking Submit will show that the item is picked and the color will change as a visual confirmation. Enter relevant packaging information as needed. The manifest process is run after the items are picked for delivery in order to map the route and load the trucks. At this point, the order has been picked and staged, ready to be loaded on trucks and delivered. Select the Ship Via Truck and check Load to assign to the truck. The Pickups option only needs to be selected if you have will call items that you want to change to delivery items for some reason. Print the carton shipping labels, if you have a zebra label printer set up, and packing slips as needed. Here's an example packing slip that was generated. Plan out the delivery route for manifest. Delivery drop-off point order can be changed by drag and drop. Once the shipments have been manifested, they will show in the Open Shipments section. Manifest forms will generate automatically if you wish to print a hard copy. You can go back into an open shipment and unmanifest it if necessary, but try not to do this very often. Drivers must be assigned to their trucks before they can log into the manifest program with their mobile devices. Normally you set this once and it does not change very often. Driver mobile access to their delivery manifest. The driver will open the Chrome web browser on their device and enter their login credentials. This needs to be done before the driver leaves the warehouse. The system will ask for the truck that they are assigned to as an added verification. This is case sensitive and must be entered exactly. If you get the Not Assigned to You warning, then the warehouse manager must go back into the manifest program and assign the driver to the truck. Be sure to load the manifest before leaving the warehouse. This is a precaution taken in case the mobile data service is disrupted while driving the route. When the driver gets to the drop-off point, they are supposed to capture a signature and take 2 pictures of the items dropped off and the person receiving. This information is sent back to the system in real time. Confirming deliveries. Deliveries are mostly confirmed in real time by the driver's mobile device, but at the end of the day you'll want to run confirm deliveries and review just in case the driver forgot something. Confirm shipping and bill. This is normally done by the AR and billing department after the deliveries are confirmed. Any final corrections to the orders are made at this point. Confirming will batch the invoices for printing and emailing. If you enter the sales order after the delivery has been processed, it will show the delivery date, the receiver's signature, and pictures if any were taken. Receiving. Clicking Receive gives you a list of all the purchase and transfer orders that are due in. Select a purchase order or transfer order, or select a vendor and the system will consolidate all the purchase orders into one selection list. Enter receiving for each item and record any overages, shortages, or damaged, and submit. The receiving process makes the items available, but they still need to be put away. Alternately, you can do a receive at dock and receive everything. Since this is dangerous, only do it if you are sure. Receive at dock will make the items available immediately for picking at the receiving dock to speed up the order fulfillment. Use the Put Away program to put away the items received at the dock. Select the vendor's purchase order receiver. Select an item to put away. Select the Put Away location from the drop-down list and submit. Damaged items can be tagged and a photo taken at this point if needed. Inventory cycle count. Inventory cycle counting can be done by mobile device or a paper process. But having said that, you will want to do the inventory count process using the mobile devices rather than paper, so that the counts happen in real time. Counting items that you show short or negative quantity are the most immediate things that need checking on. The picking column indicates when someone may be in the process of picking an order while you're trying to do inventory on those items. You should probably skip the items that are in the process of being picked. If you do a count by price line or buy line, the only option you can select correspondingly are price line or buy line. None of the other selections will give you the desired results. Add item will allow you to enter and count an item that does not show on the listing, for use in special cases. Choosing Done will only change the count on items you entered a new count for. Everything else remains unchanged. Warehouse location maintenance. Location changes should be done with a mobile device rather than on paper to reduce confusion. Scan the item barcode or enter the catalog number, keyword, etc. of the item that you are updating. Make the changes and save. You should use this process and not rely on the inventory adjustment program to make location changes. And that completes our presentation on warehouse and inventory processes. Thank you for your attention. This has been Doug Fashing.